All right, this dance starts with weight on your left. You're going to start out by doing a right touch out, touch beside, right touch out again. Then you're going to do a behind, side, forward. Take that left foot, touch out, touch beside, touch out again. And then you're going to do a behind, side, forward with your left. Then you're going to do a mambo right, mambo left, and then 4 steps backward, starting on your right foot. Your weight's going to transfer to that left so that you can do a coaster step on your right. Bring it forward for a left lock step. Then you're going to do a mambo forward. Bring that foot back. Really get that weight shifted because you're going to do now a coaster step on the left. Now your weight is on your left, so you can do a quarter turn jazz box facing the 3 o'clock wall now. Then you're going to do a out, out, in, out, in, in. End of dance.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8.